Hello everyone, welcome to Data Science Community. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss Data Science Roadmap for Freshers. So first, we need to discuss what is data science, what data scientists do. Okay, so data science relies on statistics to capture and transform data patterns into usable evidence through the use of complex machine learning techniques. So, for example, suppose you are a data scientist, okay, and you have a file which have so many columns, okay, and your company wants that you have to find insights from that file and give fruitful output to the company. Okay, so basically the work of data scientist is to find patterns, trends. Okay, so by the help of that, company will improve their business. Okay, and it will help organization to decision making, okay, for their future projects. So this is the goal of data scientist. So let's start with our data science roadmap. How to start with data science. So let's start with first is programming language. Okay, but everyone is confused with which programming language we should start with. Okay, so it's my personal suggestion, if you are first or second year student, first you have to learn some basic of programming. Okay, they have to learn Python, cover all these topics which is mentioned here: variable, numbers, string, list, dictionary, tuple, if condition, for loop, functions, modules, read write files, exception handling, class and objects. These all are the basic Python topics which every data scientist aspirant should know. Okay, so first learn all these basic topics, then you have to learn what is SQL and about databases, because we need to connect our data files, okay, and perform many operations. So every data science aspirant should know about SQL, and here is some basic relational databases which you have to learn. Okay, and there is some basic queries which we use most of the times. So these are select, where, has, things, grouped by, order by, between, advanced queries. Okay, these are topics in SQL you have to learn. So next is our maths. So as I mentioned before, that we have so many data tables. So for finding the relationship between them, we have to learn maths and statistics, linear algebra and differential calculus. When you learn machine learning or data visualization and data pre-processing, so all these things will done on the basis of maths. Maths was the base of everything we learn further for data science. You need to learn variance, standard deviation, confusion matrix. All of these topics are comes under statistics. Then after completing maths, we need to start with data visualization. So there is some libraries of Python which we need to learn. Python, NumPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn. These all are Python libraries which we use for data visualization and data pre-processing. Okay, so after that we need to learn machine learning. When our data is visualized, pre-processed, okay, after that we come with machine learning algorithms. So here you have to learn feature engineering, regression, classification, clustering, dimensionality reduction. These all are topics of machine learning which we need to cover. Then next is data visualization tools. After our machine learning, we need to visualize our outcomes or our report. Okay, whatever output we get, we need to present it to our company by using visualization tools. Okay, here are some visualization tools which many company nowadays use. Okay, which is Excel, Power BI and Tableau. So these all are visualization tools you have to learn for data science. And next is our projects. And one thing more I have to mention here is do whatever thing we learned before. Okay, and by doing projects you do not need to practice all the topics separately. Okay, by doing projects all the things you learn is already covered in your projects. Okay, so it is very important to do projects, so improving your skills. But this is the final data science roadmap which we cover in this video. Okay, so you have to first learn Python, then SQL, then maths, then data visualization. After that you have to learn machine learning, visualization tools and projects. There is one thing is missing here is deep learning. Deep learning is also a important part for data science. Okay, but I didn't mention it here because this is the roadmap for freshers. Okay, so for freshers these things were the important. Okay, so you need to sharp all these skills for becoming a good data scientist. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos.